One of the things that we can easily do ourselves when it comes to the maintenance of our vehicles is replacing the cabin air filter. In this case, for this Tacoma, slide and remove. So we're going to slide this cover up, remove it, and then we have this other cover with two tabs, one on each side. We're going to press on those tabs inwards and pull towards you, right there, and then we can pull out the cabin air filter. You see the way that you pull it out, the soft end of the filter goes inwards, while the hard side is actually on the sides, so like that. Once you remove the filter, you inspect it, see if it is clean, if it is dirty. If it is dirty, and you can clean it by blowing off whatever sediments are there or debris. Or if it is still good, you can just put it back. Now, some filters, like in this case, this one has a couple of indicators. In this case, it says this side up and insert this direction, right? So again, up and insert on that direction. Keep in mind that this is the hard side of the filter, the soft side. Now, whether you do it that way or that way, it will not really matter. Just make sure that you do it that the way that is supposed to be up is up. Some filters will tell you, will have an arrow indicating the airflow. Now, you don't know which way the airflow goes, do this. Guide yourself by this. You see this edge compared to this? Well, see this edge right here? And this will be pointing up compared to this one, right? Like that. So when you replace your filter, remember, up and forward. Then place your cover, line it up, make sure that those tabs engage, and then you're gonna place this like so. We're gonna push down. Okay, and there it is, and there it is, the cabin air filter for this Toyota Tacoma. Very easy.